Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about money tips for teenagers to help them make $1 million. It is understandable that as a teenager that is in school, there aren't many opportunities to earn large amounts of money. However, there are still ways to save and grow your money over time. So, I have compiled 7 tips that can help you become a millionaire by the time you retire. Number 1. Start saving early. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, it will add up over time. Number 2. Invest in stocks or mutual funds. This is a great way to build your wealth over time. By investing your money in stocks or mutual funds, you can make your money work for you and earn passive income. Number 3. Learn to budget. One of the most valuable money skills you can learn as a teenager is how to budget. This will help you understand where your money is going and where you can cut down on expenses. Number 4. Take advantage of compound interest. Compound interest is where your money earns interest not only on the original amount, but also on the interest it has earned. By starting to invest early, you can take advantage of compound interest and watch your money grow over time. Number 5. Start a side hustle. There are many ways that teenagers can earn money, such as selling crafts, babysitting, dog walking, or tutoring. Starting a side hustle can help you earn more money that you can put towards your savings or investments. Number 6. Be mindful of fees. If you invest in stocks or mutual funds, make sure you are aware of any fees that you may incur. Fees can eat away at your earnings over time, so make sure you read and understand all the fine print. Number 7. Seek advice from financial experts. It is always smart to seek advice from financial experts, such as financial planners, accountants, or investment advisors. They can help guide you on building and managing your wealth. And there you have it, 7 money tips for teenagers to help make $1 million by retirement. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has been useful and insightful for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content.